this bike is very flickable, man. Look at that.
Wow.
This is Normandy. Yeah, this is Normandy. Normandy Boulevard. Man, let me check the back. I need to go to the track, man. Woo! Wow. Yeah, I need to go to the track. Yeah, I've been learning about editing, going to Audacity. Audacity is a software that you can edit sounds and sound effects. That's why you hear my oh, it started raining now. You know, all my laughing sound effects, which makes the video a little, you know, comedic and watchable. Let it rain. This is my first time driving in the rain. Wow. Raindrops falling on my head. And it feels good. I feel free. I feel free. I feel free. I'm gonna check the shops here if they're closed or open. See, one here is, I know this Wells Fargo. Oh, this Wells Fargo is open. Monster Pizza. The Vita. I don't know what the Vita is. Some kind of diet or something? Barber shop's open. Like, if you guys, like, you know, people complain about barbershops are closed, just cut your own hair. You know, go to YouTube, especially women. You know, learn to cut your hair. That's what I do. I just shave it all. Well, I shave it all because I don't have any hair left. It's all about genes, man. My grandfather and my father losing their hair early. It's okay. Crunch fitness. But I'm good looking though. I'm tall and good looking, so it makes up with that. This is man, I love the raincoat. Wow. This is the crab house that I used to deliver. They're open. I used to deliver here at when I did WebHub, and they are slow as hell. You get there, you wait like 30 minutes just the food to get ready. So I think I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna head home. Yeah. I didn't realize I had the mod, the GoPro mod, and this thing's not waterproof. Oh well, I'll figure it out when I get home. It's still if it is still operable. Yeah, I'm gonna cover it now. Oh well, screw it. Screw it. If it dies, it dies. I'll buy a new one. Yeah, I need to immediately take it out. You know what? I'm gonna take it out here. I'm gonna take it out. Alright guys, this is about it, man. Leave, comment, subscribe, click that bell icon. I upload videos every week. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace. See you later.